In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add background colors to your Squarespace website. Whether you're looking to give your site a vibrant look or simply want to highlight certain sections, changing background colors can be a quick and effective way to enhance your website's mass appeal. So let's dive right into the process. First things first, you'll want to head over to your Squarespace website editor. If you're not already logged in, make sure to do so. It's important to be in the right section of your website where you'll be making these customizations. Once you're in the website editor, look for the option that says Edit section. This button is your gateway to editing the specific area of your site where you want to change the background color. Click on it to begin customizing your section. Now that you're in the editing mode, it's time to click on Colors. This option will give you access to a variety of color settings that you can adjust according to your preferences. When you click on it, you'll have the ability to choose a color theme. Squarespace offers a range of default themes that are beautifully designed and can serve as a great starting point. After selecting a color theme, the next step is to click on Edit. It may seem repetitive, but this is where the magic happens. By clicking on this option, you'll enter a more advanced editing menu where you can further personalize the colors. From here, you'll want to direct your attention to Section Background. This setting allows you to adjust the color specifically for the background of the selected section. Now, you might want to get even more specific. If the predefined themes don't quite fit what you're looking for, you can opt for a custom color. Simply click on Custom. This will open up a color picker tool where you can choose from a wide spectrum of colors. This feature allows you to match the exact color scheme that best fits your brand or design vision. Feel free to play around here until you find the perfect shade that complements your overall site aesthetics. Once you've found the color that resonates with you and aligns with your website's theme, it's crucial not to forget the final step, which is to click Save. This ensures all your hard work is preserved and that the new background color is applied to your site. Taking this step guarantees that your changes are live and viewable by visitors. And there you have it. With just a few simple clicks, you've successfully changed the background color of your Squarespace website. Remember, the right color can make a significant impact on how your visitors perceive your site, so have fun experimenting and finding the perfect palette. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Thank you for watching, and happy designing.